Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
All right, a few widely scattered pulse-type storms continue to dominate our weather today. We've got a very weak cold front sliding southward, so it is still popping a few showers around. Notice a few showers down here to our south of Lafayette. A little light rain down here south of Odell. A little shower south of Pine Village. And a thunderstorm here that is approaching Kingman and also areas just south of Edersburg and Covington from the west. We also have a little thunderstorm southeast of Ladoga, and these may actually backbuild a little bit into Montgomery County over the next hour to hour and a half. And again, they're pulse storms. They blow up, then they collapse, and some places get a lot of rain, some places get nothing at all. Notice the rainfall totals. Boy, they varied greatly today. Remington over 2 inches, 3.6 Fowler, 4/10 Morocco, but you know, once you head south of Fowler, there wasn't much at all. And even Monticello, only 4/100, 9/10 Winnemac, ½ inch Rochester, and 1/100th at the TV station. Also, looks like we had 2 microbursts this morning. Tree damage at Brook, and we had a garage northeast of Rensselaer that was blown off its foundation. It caved in, and we had some cornfields flattened from pulses of damaging winds northeast of Rensselaer this morning. Current temperatures are as hot as 93 in Atlanta, but it's 84 at the TV station, 79 Winnemac. Notice the current heat index feels like 107 in Atlanta, but where the front is sagging southward, it's a little cooler in the north, feels like 83 at Winnemac. All right, on our Renaissance cam, still a little overcast outside. The cold front slowly sliding southward, so I doubt we'll get much warmer than we are right now. We had 88 for the high today, 86 this evening. Still going to go for a few widely scattered showers, perhaps a thunderstorm, mainly Lafayette south because the front is slowly working its way southward, winds turning to the north. If you want a big break from the heat, I just don't see it happening. In fact, very little heat relief on the way. Even less so than it looked yesterday. And another heat wave will set in, a lot of 90s in this forecast. Tonight, upper 60s north to mid 70s in the south with that very weak front sliding southward. And highs tomorrow, just a hair cooler, but still hot and a little humid. 89 Winnemac, Rochester, 93 Lafayette, 94 down towards Waveland, and the same thing on Sunday. And you know what? Clouds will bubble up a little bit, but nothing more than a very isolated thunderstorm as we head for the weekend. That's why the 20% are there. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, nothing more than a couple little pops. That is it. A little thunderstorm or two, and then perhaps a couple little storms on Wednesday. But overall, pretty dry pattern, Jeff. And you notice, I just don't think it's going to cool down much at all. We may drop into the upper 60s a couple nights there, but it's going to stay in the 90s, the never-ending summer.
Yeah, it is, and boy, we'd like some more rainfall, wouldn't we?
Yeah, well, some places got it and some places didn't, and it's going to be the same pattern for a while.
Okay, thanks, Chad.
Sure.
House Republicans try again.